Hey, I've got a saying, it's not always about what you make, but what you spend. And one of the things that I've always been kind of cautious of is just loosely throwing gloves away. So now with all the, everything that we're facing as a planet, with all these germs and viruses and so forth, kind of wanted to share something that we've been doing for a lot of years to preserve our gloves and to preserve our health and the health of our customers. And that is, in this case, we're going to use the P&S Hand Sanitizer. And what I do is I pour just a little bit. You can see I'll come in there and show probably about the size of a dime. And all I do is about every 10 to 15 minutes, just wipe my gloves down with it. And then from there, I kind of keep a separate towel and I wipe and kind of sweep the bacteria, the gunk, the viruses onto my towel. And then I just quarter my towel, put it to a fresh side, and then repeat. Glove shortages are a reality, and so maintaining your gloves is going to be important. And then also your safety. So make sure, grab some hand sanitizer, grab some gloves, get to work when it's safe. Make sure to use your PPE. Now, this is my truck. It's been isolated the entire time, so it's nice and safe. And I wanted to take and communicate with you so you guys could see my beautiful smile. So, hey, next I'm going to show you if you want to go to the next level and really maintain your gloves, and that's just simply washing them just like you would with your hands, but with your gloves on. So let me go over and show you that right now. So over the sink, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my normal soap, hand soap, and do the whole 20 to 30 second thing and just wash my hands with my gloves on. What this will allow me to do is get any germs or viruses off my gloves while preserving the gloves for future use. So I'll take and scrub a dub-dub, get them all nice and cleaned up, go through my 20 to 30 seconds. What I like to do, they say, sing happy birthday twice, or go through the ABCs twice, something like that, get between your fingers. And then what it does is it actually takes and rinses any of the contaminants, whether it be any of the germs or bacteria or viruses, hopefully off of your gloves and into the sink. And again, I'll take a separate towel, use this to clean up. Then I'll take this towel and go ahead and throw it into the washer, wash it up really good. And my hands stay clean. I'm nice and safe in case I touch my face. Obviously, this time of year, you should probably be absolutely using PPE. I'm not now because we're actually working on my truck. It's been isolated since day one of all of this. And then also I'm going to show you right now how to take your gloves off, especially if you're going to throw them away or if they've been exposed to something, how to take the gloves off and get rid of them safely. So something you need to be concerned with is a lot of times we're getting in and out of people's cars and our gloves become contaminated. So let's say that you're really in a funky car, you want to get your gloves off. There's actually a right way and a wrong way of pulling them off. So 30 years of search and rescue in the military, coming in and getting into bloody situations where we're coming in contact with bodily fluids and so forth, is they taught us how to properly take a glove off. Also, in the event that you've got a towel or something else that's contaminated, I'm going to show you how to properly do that. So what you want to do is when you come in, is they teach you to pinch down here at the base, right here at the palm of your hand. Pinch it. So if you just pinch it and pull it away, and then what you do is you put your fingers in it. So you can see my fingers popping up here. What that allows you to do is pull the glove off without either touching your skin. Now, what you can also do is take, and if you got a towel that's been contaminated or something else that you want to take and get rid of and you don't want to touch, is ball it up and kind of fist it in your hand. Do the same thing. You see, I'm never going to take and touch my skin. So I'll come through, and now I'll pull this off, and I'll ball it around, and you can see now I pull my fingers out, and the contaminated towel is actually inside the safety of my old glove, and now I can throw that away as a unit. So, hey, I hope this has helped. I hope it saves you some cost on gloves. It keeps you safer, keep your customers safer, and go out and have a great day, and be careful, and happy detailing, everybody. Take care.